Alright, we have installed Plasma on ArcoLinux. Do we have a console? We don't have a terminal or something like it. Do we have terminal, anything? No. We do have Xterm. I think we have said we installed it, so we have, yes, we have a terminal. Now the other thing that you can do is Control Alt F2, F3, F4 to get to TTY, but okay, right, this is more graphical. Whoops, pass the keyboard. So set keyboard back to Belgium. Actually, I'm on Plasma, system settings, keyboards. Because we don't set this in ArcoLinux. In ArcoLinux, it's Calamares who sets it for us. We put it right, and then everything is set right. So layouts, English US, add any language. No, it was actually that one, I think. No, that one. That's it. And Belgian, Dutch. No, Belgian. Voila. Okay. English, you're out. Apply. Done. So some people asked me in the past, how do I set my password? How do I set my keyboard right? I said to them, if you can't figure it out, Plasma is the thing because of Chinese, or was it a combination of keyboards? This is, I think, still the most easy way to set your keyboard's layout. Okay, what were we thinking? Why did I want to go to this one? Screen fetch? I think so. Sudo pacman -s. Screen fetch, neofetch is better. We use neofetch as standard on ArcoLinux. So we have that. We don't have console. That was also the thing I was missing. -s console, right? So that is actually a better, nicer terminal. A terminal from here. You can theme and tweak it. That's always fun. Looking for themes and tweaks in configure console. Show menu bar. Don't like the menu bar. So okay, profiles, tab bar, memory files. I think we should make a new profile, is it? Yeah. In the new profile, this is Eric's profile. Voila, this is Eric's profile. We have things we can set. Some coloring. Do believe we have some nice colorings. I think solarized was a nice one. Let's try that one. Scrolling, fixed size, unlimited. I want it unlimited, and then hidden, apply, okay. Control T, not working. So keyboard shortcuts not present. Console, that's nice, right? Before, after. So that's that. Console is installed. Yay is not installed, etc., etc. A lot of stuff is not installed. What if? I have a what if. You know me by now. What if I go to, we have two sources. We have GitHub, where the packages of ArcoLinux are, and we have seedhost, where the packages of ArcoLinux are. So seedhost, ArcoLinux, I'm going for that one. Data center, we have repos. These repos are there. Let me think. That's gonna be in the third party. In the package folder, we'll have lots of things. And here is yay. Click. Save. Do this. Yeah. It's downloaded. What am I gonna do with it? This is not working, double clicking, not yet. But ls cd downloads ls, there it is. Can I install it like this? I think so. This is not coming from ArcoLinux. This is coming from AWAR, definitely, for sure. Up, and import keys. Yes, you say of course. And then with a key server problems, I always have a keyboard server problems. That's a local problem. It's an issue with my server of my ISP, Internet Service Provider. But I figured out the solution with that as well. But I need to import the key, so it's a GPG problem. What I wanted to do as well is get the ArcoLinux tweak tool as a test. We are getting, that's not third party, that's from us. That's from us, this is us. Third party is somebody else's program. Here we have ArcoLinux tweak tool, lots of applications, lots of equalization. Here it is. So this is the, not the development one, this is the actual one we're using. Okay, open containing. Yeah, I know. Then we go just to download, or we just actually say ls, right? It's there. So sudo pacman -u, because it is you who will install it. Remember it like that. So -u means a local file. Install that one. Let's see. Do you want to skip the above package for this upgrade? Ah, yeah. So there's dependency ArcoLinux mirrorless spin-off git. Not sure what I'll say if do that. There's nothing to do. Okay, so there is a dependency. We've made it a little bit difficult because on our ArcoLinux system is of course super easy, and everything just installs automatically because of the fact that, well, we have everything, right? All the repos are there, but here they are not. So ls, more complexity, on Arch anyway, -u. First we get ArcoLinux mirror listing. That's done, and then we can go and install the tweak tool. And now he's not complaining since he found the package. And we're installing the tweak tool. Now Ctrl-Alt-E, keyboard shortcut, is not working. Tweak, well, the icons are not created, but ta-da-da, yep, it is working, and that's what I wanted to test. And in pacman.conf, haha, we have a tab. So glad it works. Let's see if it works all the way. Where is my Dolphin? Dolphin is like Nemo, Nautilus, Tunar, a file manager. So it's not installed yet. Sudo pacman -s Dolphin. So you need to know the Lego blocks. All right. Install Dolphin. Dolphin is there. Ba-bam. That's nice. Now we can go to 19 hard drive. We go to the etc to pacman.conf, a specific file. I'm gonna look pacman.conf. Double click. Ha! Do I have something to edit it with? No, I have not done that. Okay, fine. Sudo pacman, and then again Linux, right? Genie, Sublime Text, Atom, VS Code, and everything else. I'm going for Atom. You need to have an application to edit a file. I want to show you something. Installed, away you are, double click, and now he has just one application. So it's going to be this one. That one is out. That was not successful. Yes, and out, and zoom in. So this is what you have on ArcoLinux. All this, except a few changes I've made up here, is the same. The most important is these lines: the core, extra, the community, and the multilab. What we like to have is more, right? ArcoLinux. Let's spice things up. I want the spices from. I want the themes, I want the cursors, I want obilogao themes, I want plain themes, etc, etc. I want for sure all these shortcuts, I want etc, etc. It's all there, but we need to get it in here in pacman.conf. So we had scripts, or we have scripts on ArcoLinux D to add all these lines, similar to these guys, to the system, but we need to activate the repos. And if the tweak tool is there, and we click here, then suddenly 3 lines appear. Another line, another button, 3 lines, another button, 3 lines, and another button, 3 lines. The repo testing always goes on the top. It's the first comes, he wins. If here's a package in, that's X, and this is also X, this package will be installed, right? Always. All right, the testing is of course not necessary, but the rest is nice. Testing is still in here with a hashtag. What happens? Control T. Let's fix this, right? Oh, really? Yes. Really. Shortcuts. Custom shortcuts. Examples and all that. Edit. New group. Eric's shortcuts. Right? And then new global shortcut command URL. And then Termite. We've not yet installed it. Console it. Right, let's stick to an application that's really okay. First this Control T. Okay, and action launch me console. Apply and activate. Why is this not? Okay, it is working now. Fine. Apply. Control T. That's it. Finally, I have my Control T. But there's so many keyboard shortcuts and they're not in here. You have all to make them yourself, and that's what we don't like. So we make packages, so next time we install it, we have everything available. That's why we have etc-skel. Okay. This key thing. This is awesome, right? No, first this. Update does not exist. Sudo pacman -s yyuu. Yeah, I was thinking about that. We are missing something. He's saying, okay, fine, you're pointing to a file that's not there. More complexity. The ArcoLinux mirror list, we just saw it. And as I thought to myself, I need to install this one as well. Otherwise it will not work. So that one as well. Okay, save it. We know what he's going to say, ls. It's in the downloads, ls, and we're going to sudo pacman -u, right? You do it, you install it, -u, ArcoLinux mirror list, hit is better, could not be read, error config file, seems to be okay. No such file, ls. That is odd. Alright, I went to my other computer and I've updated this package. It might be the fact that it's xset and not zst. So if we do a refresh, we get the same ArcoLinux with a current number. So 23.1 with a ZST. I'm gonna try this one, see if that's the reason why he says on ArcoLinux, no, it has to be ZST or something like it. So that's the good one, and that's the old one. So this guy, delete, and that's the ZST. Now you can actually open up, and I'm so used to it that I'm gonna put it in here, and that's, I'm missing it if I don't see it. Open terminal, hub in here, and a little bit up, apply, and open terminal. So we have this button that opens in the right directory, and the same thing goes. Let's see if this works. ArcoLinux mirror list, the Git version from us, And we have to think further. There has to be another reason why this, he says, could not be read. No such file or directory. Alright, I think I figured it out. Because of the fact that these things do not exist, this thing does not exist and he wants to run it. So I'm gonna make the tweak tool, I'm gonna reuse the tweak tool to set these guys to hidden so we don't get the conflict. Probably was already open, so here it is. So off you go, all with a hashtag. Of course, that's the reason. Yeah, you have to think about all these things. And let's have a look. In the meantime, with an update of the package. Nice. There we go. It's installed. And now I can activate it again, right? Now it's pointing to the right thing. Also, maybe, well, let's not do that one. You'll see it's gonna work. I'm so used to my F12. I was already on my way to my F12, which gives yakuwaki sudo pacman -s yakuwaki. I don't know how they come with all these names, but it's a good thing. Database does not exist. It's super normal, common sense. You've never done an update in our ArcoLinux world. You've never done sudo pacman -syyuu. Pacman says, I don't know what's in there. Now he will know what's in there. We need to have a key. A key again, but there's a problem with the key. Probably because I have a problem with keys, right? So it's gonna be not that easy. Fail to synchronize all databases. I need to fix my personal issue to have more access to these keys. You will not have to do that. Maybe you need to do it as well. It all depends where you live and so on. So all the keys, of the easy way to get the keys is to go to the GitHub ArcoLinux D, and any of these guys is good. Any of these guys is good, right? So I'm just gonna take the first one, and then we're gonna clone it. Click here. You can zip it as well. So we go to your home and we open a terminal. Git clone Ctrl+Shift+V, enter. What I need to do always is the archway of things here. There's a folder, archway. I need to add key service for key importing. That's something I need to do, which I run with Nemesis scripts on GitHub. Eric Dubois, there's a Nemesis project, and that's what I do. I need to run number 10 everywhere I go. I need to do this, right? So I'm adding particular servers with ports because of the problem with the ISP I have. So with these settings, I know that will work. So we can actually install Spotify now. So that's the problem. We had the key. We can't import the key. Yes. Okay, it's gonna work, but now we have this Eric Dubois issue, right? So let's import the signature for Eric as well. So that's number 20. Trust the key. Trust Eric Dubois. Yeah, mind you, this is something that can take quite a while. It's gonna get all the keys in. Jan de Groot is there. Maybe you know some of these people. I've seen some of the names. And that's it. Sometimes this can take for minutes. I'm lucky now in this video is actually quite fast. We can go again to Spotify, and what you know, it just installs. Key is imported, everything is fine, everything is working. Now the key that I use to sign every ArcoLinux package with, my key, is in here as well. So sudo pacman first an update. Let's do that. First, let's him update does not exist yet, right? Sudo pacman -syyuu. Finally, right? Finally, but it's all common sense once you come to think about it. It needs to be protected, it needs to be safe, it needs to be signed, the keys need to be imported. It all makes sense at some point in time, but I get it might be complex in the beginning. But that's what the video is for, right? Rewatch, rewatch, rewatch. Bon, so this means sudo pacman -s ArcoLinux. 127 packages I can put on my ArcoLinux system. Yes, I wanted to type. So it's entirely up to you what you get in. We have a cheat sheet to know what elements you would like to have for what particular desktop, and it's all your choice. At this point in time I wouldn't get anything in except maybe the root, because the root is giving my bash rc, and with a skel, which does not exist, skel command not found, I can copy paste it over. Now skel is just there to avoid doing this manually every time. Ctrl H, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, go to home directory, Ctrl V, and apply to all, override, and we have the bash rc, the super long one, with up all, update. This is our thing, right? At some point in time this becomes, it's in your fingers to type mirror and all that. So it's here, it's available, it's just not, let's see if it's already working. It is working. NeoFetch is already loaded, you know, that's why we know it's already working, because NeoFetch is here, and what's at the very bottom of bash rc? All the way down, NeoFetch. So we know already it's working. We don't need to test it with well, other things. Okay, so I can do an update. Yes, you can. Can you do an up-all? If you have installed Yay earlier on, you have an up-all. So basically we're building it back up again. We have an ArcoLinux installation with Plasma on it. Well, first Xorg, Plasma, a termite or console. Choose the Lego blocks. What have you done? Dolphin we've installed. Spotify was installed, was not installed, I don't know. I think it was installed. Well, actually just type Spotify, right? It's installed, and so on and so on and so on. So we have a beautiful system. You start configuring your desktop. I'm already tired of the new desktop, so take something. This I like particularly. Nice little friendly guy here. So icons are not, well, are okay. I mean, it's Breeze, right? But you choose something else. You choose your menus, show alternatives, application, switch. You have back more or less the look we have with a small menu. Why is this small? Because there's no software yet. There's nothing installed. I have internet, Firefox, multimedia, Spotify, and Atom we've installed, and all the rest is Plasma. I think I'm done. It's a video of 23 minutes, I see. Did I forget anything? Wow, I need to congratulate Brad, the developer or the builder, developer is the word, of the ArcoLinux tree tool, because when I just clicked on this thing, it actually is working on ArcoLinux, guys. We have now installed HBlock. It's a way to improve your security and privacy. Take a look on ArcoLinux.com. You have a blacklist, you have a whitelist you can put in, and you see in hosts, where is it? In hosts, you will see this one. I'm not going to open it with that one. I'm going to open it with this one. This is a long list of all the screwed up websites you don't want to be, right? A list of 125,000 websites. So HBlock is working on ArcoLinux. Thanks, Brad. Thanks. Great. Now the grub is not working because we don't have a grub team. Normal, common sense. LightTM, there is only one thing to activate. It's Plasma. So if I would say I want to auto login, right, with i3, first install i3, right, then it pops up and then you choose. So this is an auto login and a desktop session you choose within LightTM only. NeoFetch, do we have NeoFetch? Yes. What can we do with it? Well, you can decide to have some more stuff. I don't have a song, so you won't see anything. Show disk, show user, show local, apply. Ctrl T, and the list becomes longer. You hate the blocks, you hate the colors. Where are the colors? Show blocks, apply, Ctrl T, no blocks, and so on and so on. It's all working just fine. Pacman.conf we've done. ArcoLinux repos from Bobo and Hefters are gonna work as well these guys. So you've seen maybe a video of Bobo's repo, me adding the wallpapers. Let's see if Brad's or Hefter has a wallpaper as well. So click, repo is activated. What's gonna happen? Ctrl T, update, that's working, update, I'm so happy. And Hefter is there. Hefter repo, right? A little bit up, Hefter repo. So sudo pacman -s and then Hefter. Let's see, yep, all Hefters. It's a good thing they both started with the name, right? Bobo, Hefter, and then tab, and then you take it out. Let's see, yep, there's a wallpapers. That's always gonna be safe. Installing wallpapers is no problem. Hefter wallpapers and enter. 61 megabyte more in the user shared background. So I know already, thanks to the communication, that I go to configure my desktop. I'm gonna go to add image. Can't I add a folder? Those are other nice options. Take a look at them. So add image 19 user share, oops, user share not wallpaper but the backgrounds, and ArcoLinux. So nothing is there, there's nothing. Oops, I'm too fast. Anyway, apply. Ta-da! That's a beautiful one, right? That's a beautiful one. The guys who make this is just awesome. This creativity to the max. Let's see if I can do a Control A. Yeah, Control A. Open. There we are. I believe this is one of them, of the images he shows in the videos. Might be another one as well, but it's something very pink-like. And now we're wasting time, but it's fun, right? Wasting time is great, but it has to be fun. Learn, have fun, and enjoy. That's the whole point. All right, guys. I do see something that is this. Yeah, that's the Firefox, and that's okay. You can be there. So this is a mixture already. Now it's a mixture of ArcoLinux, AOR, ArcoLinux, and Hefters. And, right? So the only thing is, if you're starting to mix at some point, you'll get conflicts. And then you have to think, which one am I going to keep? Which one will prevail? But it's fun. It is a super playground for years to come. All right. Enjoy ArcoLinux, enjoy ArcoLinux, enjoy Bobo's version, enjoy Brad's version. It's all good. It's all Linux, guys. That's what matters. Cheers.